Have you ever wanted to know how Bitcoin is going to perform for an entire month before it happened? Well, now you can. I've gone back through the full life of Bitcoin and I have charted out every single month of every single year for Bitcoin, the open, the close, the high, the high date, the low date, every stat you can possibly imagine into a big spreadsheet. And I've come down to this. The stats for December are as follows. We should know the direction of Bitcoin within the first week. If Bitcoin is to close December to the positive, then we're going to look for a low to occur within the first week. That low will be somewhere in the area of 5 to 7%, with a high then coming near the 15th or the middle of the month. And that high is going to be an average of 28% to the upside. Now, on the flip side, if Bitcoin is to close negative for the month of December, we're going to start out this month opening up to the upside to the tune of 5 to 7%, with a low near the 15th of the month at about 15%. How's that going to look? So if Bitcoin is to finish the month to positive, we would expect a pullback to open December 5 to 7%, somewhere around the $85,000 region, and then a pump up to about 114 to 116,000 by the end of December, most likely by the middle of December, since the high averages the 15th. On the other side, if Bitcoin is going to close the month negatively, we would expect a pump to the upside for about 5 to 7% when we open the month, somewhere in the area of $96,000 to $97,000, find resistance and move down to the tune of 15% to approximately $76,000. So, depending on which way Bitcoin opens the month in that first week will determine the outcome. If we open to the downside, then we can expect a big upside move. If we open to the upside, we can expect a big downside move. So, hope these stats have helped. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more data and statistics just like this.